Want to master transformations in Wondershare Filmora X, starting with importing your clip and making precise adjustments? To perform transformations in Wondershare Filmora X, start by importing your video or image and dragging it to the timeline. Click on the clip to activate it, and then open the Video tab in the top left panel. Under the Transform section, you can apply various adjustments. Use the Rotate slider to rotate the clip clockwise or counterclockwise, or input a specific angle for precise adjustments. To flip the clip, select either the horizontal or vertical flip options to mirror the image or video along the chosen axis. For resizing, adjust the Scale slider to make the clip larger or smaller, while maintaining the original proportions. To reposition the clip within the frame, modify the position X and modify the position Y values. All changes are reflected in real time in the preview pane, allowing you to fine-tune the transformations until satisfied. Once you're done, click OK to save the changes.